Hey. So I already talked about the Miracle Gel Sally Hansen top coat, but actually forgot that I have the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail polish. So just wanted to put the two together so you can see what to look for by purchasing these products. And so like I said before, this is the Sally Hansen top coat that you will put on after you put on this Miracle Gel polish, and it's by Sally Hansen again. And then the color is Street Flare 559. Hey, okay. All right, so just gonna give you some descriptions about it and my experiences with this. With these two together, yeah, my nails lasted for a very long time. I do a lot of active things, so making sure my nail polish is on, stays on, especially, going out places and stuff like that, and appearances. You just want to look nice, but these two together, they do work well. I'm gonna change that well to wonderful. They work wonderful for me, and especially with somebody that's active. Yeah, it was on my nails for at least about 2.5 to 3 weeks. But of course, the nail growing and everything, but it still stayed on, and that's the beauty of this. So, just some information about this. We're gonna put this over to the side. You're a little distracted, so we're just gonna put this right here. Okay, so did you know that was the #1 selling polish in the US? Like, not this color, but the idea of the Miracle Gel top coat. Anyway, it's a light-proof polish, and it's chip resistant, and does not require a UV light. Just like this one, it does not require a UV light, so you can just put it on your, on your hands, and you can go about your business. So, like I said, with the top coat, you gotta make sure that your nails are clean and dry. If they are not, it is not going to look nice. It is not going to look pretty, and you are not going to have good results. So, gotta make sure that your nails are clean and dry. Okay. Then, use a nail polish. The good thing about this is that you can use a nail polish removal or regular one to get this polish off, so you don't have to, worry about the filing and the, going somewhere and okay, it's not going to come off. No, it comes off a regular nail polish just like the top coat. And you want to apply 2 coats of this. Remember, in the other video I said you do apply 2 coats of that and 1 coat of top gel, but yeah, you apply 2 coats of this. Yes, okay. And then you allow color to dry for 5 minutes. Me, I kind of do a little bit longer, but everybody is different. So, just based on your, your inner trust, your intuition on how long you should have your nails dry before you do anything, And you want to apply 1 top coat of this bad boy right here. The Miracle Gel top coat, okay? So, apply 2 coats of this, apply 1 coat of that, and it easily comes off with regular nail polish, okay? So, and if you want to look at the full ingredients, those ingredients was pretty long too. Okay, so it's pretty much the same as the other one, but yeah, it's pretty much the same. The only thing that's gonna be different is that to add the coloring in it. Okay, and I'm definitely gonna open up the bottle so you can see what the color looks like. I love it. It's really pretty. It's one of those those neutral, chilling out colors, and then especially with the name Street Fair, I don't know, sometimes I'm a little fascinated with what they call the nail polish. Like sometimes when I pick it, sometimes I like to look at the name, but sometimes I just feel like, okay, I'm just ready to get my nails done. Hey, you know, what's going on, what's good? But anyway, yeah, I'll definitely open up the bottle so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like this. Let me sharpen it up a little bit so you can see. I feel like my hands wasn't on it properly. Okay, wait. Is it clear? Okay. Up. But you can see it's really pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It lasts for a long time. And it's not, you know how, I don't know, some nail polishes kind of look little. These don't look like that at all. These are some high quality stuff in my opinion. I mean, you know, I love them. Gonna keep loving them. They have a lot of other color choices as well. So this is another one, but you know, it does the same. But yes, again, this is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Polish. Street Flare. Okay. Street Flare. And again, you just top it off with the Miracle Gel top coat. Yeah.